Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after that you'll end up in a Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, what you have to do is to just hold down power key for about 5 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.